Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Inamsi, and in today's video, I want to show you top tricks on ways that you can get your 1000 subscribers in less than 1 month. Yes, guys, you heard me, in less than 1 month. This is one of my students here. She got her over 2000 subscribers in just 1 month of using this trick. This is a very simple trick that is trending. A lot of people love this game, and if you key in less than few time, in less than a month, you can get your 1000 subscribers. But here is the advice I will give you after getting your 1000 subscribers, because these are shorts, and using this trick, these people will not watch your long form content. You get, they will not watch your long form content, so continuing accumulating those subscribers is like a waste of time. Immediately you clock your 1000 subscribers, my advice is that you should stop doing it, then come down to your long form videos and grow your 4000 watch hours, then grow legitimate people that will be interested in your content. The aim of this is just to make your heart calm down. Let it calm down so that you'll be relaxed that at least you have the 1000 subscribers requirements. So let's dive right into the process.
So this is how to go about it. This is YouTube application. If you don't have this application at the moment, go to your Play Store and download this YouTube app. Yes, so tap on the application. As soon as it opens, if you check beneath here, if you check down here, yes, if you check down here, you will see this plus sign. Tap on the plus sign. Once you tap on that shot, you see that red place, this red place that is here. You tap on it. You make sure that the camera is facing you. If the camera is not facing you, tap on that place that looks up there like arrows. These things that is like a strand, like arrows, and face the camera to you. So once you face it to you, if you check above there, still that place, you will see a place called add sounds. Add sounds. Once the camera is facing you and you turn it on, you turn add sounds on, you tap on add sounds, and then you search, put a finger down, yes. So anyone that comes, is it embarrassing one you want, or you want look at different ones. I've tried them yet, so I've chosen. Once you tap on that blue place, it will come. Look at the sound added. Make sure that being close to the sound area, you turn your timing. It's 15 seconds. Turn it to like maybe 1 minute so that you can have a reasonable game. Then place your hands just the way I'm placing. That is after tapping the camera. Let the camera be on. Place your hands and just do the game. If you agree with what it's doing, yes, put your finger down. If you don't, shake your head, make it lively, smile. And a lot of people love this game. So join the game and do it reasonably, do it lively, and then you click on once it's done, like the minutes are filled, it will be okay. So you will tap on that alphabet. Once it has finished, you tap on that alphabet. There's look at capital A and small a. Tap on it and then write, put your finger down. Put a finger down. Whatever the edition is, if you want embarrassing edition, depends on the video you are making at the moment. This very one is embarrassing edition. So I will drag it up after typing. This was the one I started writing and it's not okay. So I'm going to tap on next. Click on next and you write the title. Just put a finger down, embarrassing edition. Then you tell people, yes, how many fingers did they put down? Okay, ask them, how many fingers? Put a finger down, embarrassing. Put a finger down, embarrassing. Yes, embarrassing edition. You type it, then you also ask them how many fingers did they put down. Okay. You can put some hashtags like hash viral video, hash shots, all that. So that's that about that. As soon as you have finished writing your title, this method is similar to even when you are uploading video on YouTube. Yes, just that you will, this one you are doing it live there. You select no, it's not meant for kids. Make sure that the video is on public. Look at public there and no. All these other things are no. But leave the comments on so that people will comment. Yes, people will surely comment. That once you are done, you click on publish shots. You get, look at it down here at this black place. I am not willing to all draft, save draft. I want the thing to upload shots, but I don't want to upload this very one. This particular one, I don't want to upload it. So I will just leave it. But as for you, after doing it, you will click on upload shot. So make sure that you do this like twice in a day, morning and evening, or you do twice, two at once in a day. Different version, maybe embarrassing version, liar version, then other time you do family and funny edition. There are many editions about it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you've gotten value for this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, like this video so that other people get to see it, and also click on the subscribe button. Here in this channel, we talk about YouTube, content creation, career paths, latest money making. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you soon in our latest video. Also tell me in the comments section, did you try this method? It worked? If it did,